Hello everyone. How are you all? I'm hoping that you all are doing it. Comparison that we all do nowadays with anything and everything and with everyone. Comparison actually making you feel low, depressed, anxious, and it's actually taking out of your peace of mind. Now, let me give an example. Comparing with your colleague on work, comparing with your friend on their maybe lifestyle or something else, or comparing yourself with someone who's physically better looking, comparing on your appearance, comparing on your health issues, and comparing your kids with someone else. And if I keep talking, I think this will go on because we started comparing everything and anything nowadays. I think where you need to understand is comparison with someone else will not make them feel anything, but it's gonna disturb your mental health, it's gonna disturb your mental peace. Okay, so because why am I talking this topic is there many people coming back to me and telling, ma'am, the lady which took program with you guys lost so many weights and then I couldn't. Now tell me, but you have come long way that you might have lost 3 kgs or 4 kgs, someone might have lost 10 kgs. So let me tell you that her lifestyle is different, her genetically growing up is different, and her tensions are different, her food habits are different, her physical issues or physical needs are different. So stop comparing yourself with anyone. That might be any topic. It's not only about health or a weight loss. If you do that, the result what you're getting, you will never be happy. You will never be satisfied with what you see, the change that you are seeing in your body. So rather than comparing with someone else, I must tell you that start seeing the difference in your own body or in your own health, in your own lifestyle changes that has happened since yesterday or maybe a month back, how you were leading a lifestyle with your food habits or with anything else, but now how are you feeling. So compare your thinking a month back towards your lifestyle and thinking now that how far you have come. So when you start talking about the gratitude and start seeing the changes in your own body or your own mental health, you will see you have come a long way. So first, stop comparing yourself with anyone. Even in my field also there are people compare with so doctors are great, so doctors are not that great. Why do we talk about it? Every human is different, every person's thinking is different, every person's way of leading a lifestyle is different. You cannot compare. Do not compare over a salary, do not compare over a lifestyle, do not compare over a house. You're not going to do that. So this video is especially to make you feel good that you have the better lifestyle than anyone else, or that you led maybe a year back or a month back. So please be positive. Do not compare yourself because you're in a great shape or the place right now. If you start working towards you and then you will start seeing the result yourself, please do not compare with someone else. So all the best guys, just be positive, because once you start understanding comparison is actually disturbing you, once you start not practicing comparison, you will start seeing a lot of great results or a lot of mental peace in your own health and your mental health. So do that and let me know how will you feel after some times. So from today, I'm hoping that you are not gonna compare yourself with anyone or compare someone else with someone else. That's it. That's all I wanted to say. Take care, stay healthy and stay happy.